Alright guys, so Brad's snow check finally came in after like 3 delays. It was supposed to be here in November, then it got delayed to December, and then the end of December, and now it's finally here in mid-January. So we're going to go pick it up, and he's going to look over it tonight and maybe ride it around the house and do some heat cycles, and then we're going to take it up this weekend and show you guys some content of that. But this video will be mainly about picking it up and just seeing it for the first time. So we're gonna take you guys along, and
we're gonna let her eat.
We're gonna let her eat, if you will. So here we go.
See what she's got.
Yeah.
She feels good, Coca.
Does she?
Got a nice big iPad here so I can play Clash of Clans all the time.
That's luckily you're not gonna.
Full figure, okay.
You got the whistle maker.
The whistle maker. This guy, same story on.
You're out of here. I'll just do that.
Alright guys, so that is the end of our video. We just wanted to take you guys along and show you what Brad will be riding for the season. We finally got it in. It's been delayed. It's supposed to be here in November. Finally came in mid-January. So we're going to go ride it tomorrow and see what happens, see what we think about it, and then we'll update you guys on that. So we appreciate you watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It means a lot to us. And then follow us on Instagram at Cook Bros to keep up with our daily sled trips, and we'll see you guys next video. Peace.